One of our PEMEdge suite of services available to you as a design engineer is our Teardown service. This is something where you would give us a full assembly or a sub-assembly, and we'll look at it, take it apart, and make a recommendation, if appropriate. There have been teardowns we've done that we've not made recommendations because we're not going to force feed a solution into you. If we do, you're a smart engineer, you'll figure that out and you won't trust us again. But many times when we do these teardowns, we do see opportunities for improvement, either for helping to make the product smaller, lighter, improving the manufacturing method so it's better for your fabricator, or make it more convenient for your ultimate end customer. The point is, there's oftentimes that we find a customer simply wasn't aware of other options available to them. And when we do a teardown, we can make you aware of those possibilities, and then you can decide for yourself, is it appropriate or not. But if it was something you weren't aware of beforehand, this is something that can definitely help add more tools into your toolbox for designing.